Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the third chapter, that is managing files and folders. In this chapter we will study about understanding Windows Explorer, files and folders, creating new files and folders, naming a file and a folder, deleting a file and a folder, getting file and folder from the recycle bin, emptying recycle bin, shortcut views, grouping files and folders, and sorting folder contents. Now let us start. Students, you have already studied about operating system, hardware and software. What do you mean by an operating system? An operating system is an interface between the user and the computer system, and hardware is the physical parts of the computer. Software is a set of instructions given to a computer to do some works. When we switch on the computer, firstly operating system will load it into the computer and manages all the other programs in a computer, and the other programs are called application programs. The application programs helps the user to do the required activities and gets its result. To interact directly to an operating system, user needs an interface. Without an interface, a user cannot interact or work with the operating system, and such interfaces are command line or a graphical user interface (GUI). Example of a graphical user interface is Microsoft Windows. Graphical user interface as a desktop, and it contains small pictures on it. These small pictures on desktop are called icons. An icon can be a shortcut to a program, to a file or a folder. Students, now let us study about how to create files, folders, and how to organize them on the computers. Firstly, we will study about Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is also known as File Manager. That means when users create files and folders in a computer, that will be stored in the Windows Explorer. It is an application that displays the contents of hardware and folders. Windows Explorer helps the users to find out or navigate a file or folder which are already saved in it. Windows Explorer icon is located in the taskbar, and we can click on that icon to open it. Windows Explorer is also opened by clicking on the Start button to all programs, accessories, Windows Explorer, then display Explorer window with all contents of it. Students, next we will study about files and folders. You know that all the data entered into the computers are saved as files. Then what do you mean by a file? We can say that a file is a collection of related data, information, settings or commands that are used with a computer program. Files have a unique icon that relate to the program in Microsoft Windows, and each and every files are saved with a name that will help to locate that file easily when required. Let us take an example to understand this. In our computers or laptops, we keep same category files in one folder. That is, music files are saved in one folder, Office files are saved in another folder and our study materials are saved in next folder. In this way, we can save many number of files in folders. Thus, now we can say that a group of computer files can be kept and organized in a virtual container, and that is called a folder or a directory. We can also make folders inside a folder, and such folders inside a folder is called subfolders. Today we have discussed about Windows Explorer files and folders. You have to read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.